All right. So here we are again. We're doing another interview on what's coming up in Field Genius 3.3. So, Stania, you're up. What's new in Field Genius 3.3?
Hi, Glenn. Thank you for this interview. So the Field Genius 3.3 introduced the major stability and performance improvements, faster Bluetooth connection, and streamlined workflow. And I would like you to demo some of the features we did and what we are planning for the 3.4 and looking ahead. So,
Awesome. Okay, cool. So, what's first on the list for what's new?
yeah, this is the reconnect pop-up. It automatically opens on the first application launch and first project open. So now if I am connecting to the instrument, it automatically Bluetooth connect, and after that it will start receiving the corrections from the previous and trip mount point. So now we are getting the corrections, selecting the mount point, and we will get my receiver is close to the building, so I won't get the fixed solution, but hopefully we are in the float. So that's the reconnect pop-up where user doesn't need to go through this, like to navigate to the profile, start receiving corrections and Bluetooth. So everything is done automatically. So that's one of our refinements here, which kind of saves users time and like on day-to-day process. So
Cool.
So another one which users do all the time, and we really wanted to save the annoying process of doing repeating stuff by exporting. So we developed the export function, the batch export function, which is here. So the batch export allow user to export multiple files at the same time. So you can see it remembers the previous selection. So I have the 6 files selected. It's also backing up the project. We always recommend it to user to do that because it just saves everything in the database. And yeah, that's
Saves
highly
you if something goes wrong.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay.
exactly. So you can always come back. So you hit share file. So now I have the copy these 6 files and I will place them to the download folder. So that's where they are, and this is my point list or point explorer. There is the GNSS observations and so on, Field Genius archive project, and with one click. So that's all. Last thing, because we really with this release try to improve the stability, but obviously we cannot fix all the issues, right? So we tried our best, but we always want to know more information and the troubles users are having. So we've implemented the prompt for feedback or after crash. So it's in our interface. There is button, the toggle show crash after show crash feedback pop-up. So if the crash occurs in the Field Genius, if this toggle is on, we will be prompting user to ask for more details, and I will demo that right now. Okay, so we crashed the application and we detected the crash. So, and I would like to provide more details. So, crash on import. I can add more details. You can attach DXF file or project which causing you trouble. So I will attach this demo project, and you need to check this checkbox and hit send. Sending the feedback to us, like it's direct way to our support. So Chris or James will take care of your issue, and we will investigate it further. And so the goal for
Automatically goes straight to support and they get the file if they attach one.
Yes.
And they can give a little bit of background what happened before that crash or whatever
Correct.
is mainly a big help for us to log all of that, and then James and Chris can come up with a solution if there is one, right?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's exactly it. And
Do
so the
users have to
mhm,
toggle that on, Stania?
it's by default. So if it's too annoying for someone, they can turn it off. But on first install, it'll be on.
Just with the caveat that it really does help us if people do send a note over when something happens. That's the faster way to get it so it doesn't happen again.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And so that's kind of wrap up for the 3.3